Look beyond the frame. What are we going to look beyond the frame today? Let's read a text and start. She waited by the window, the blackout curtain pulled close against the glass. In the distance, sirens wailed, and searchlights pierced through the night sky, each second of silence heavy with the fear of bombs, or worse, the news of a loved one lost. Today we are looking at setting again, but time in particular. How era, season, or passage of time influences story's meaning. She waited by the window, the blackout curtain pulled close against the glass. In the distance, sirens wailed, and searchlights pierced through the night sky. Each second of silence, heavy with the fear of bombs or worse, the news of a loved one lost. The author has decided to set the story at the time of war. The person is clearly inside the house. The person is waiting for someone. Let's look at the effect it creates. The text is set at the time of war. Visual imagery in the use of words such as sirens, blackout curtains, and bombs creates an impact that the text was set during war. Moreover, the word wait creates tension. The lady and the reader do not know if the person will return. Given that it is a time of sirens, tension and anxiety only increases. Therefore, the setting of time creates an impact. It could be in some situations futility of war, but here the author wanted to emphasize on the impact that war has on families, on people who are left behind. This can also be part of your analysis. She waited by the window, the frost etching silver lines across the glass. The world outside lay still and silent under the blanket of snow, while the ticking clock inside marked each lonely second she spent in a cold hush of midnight. What effect do these words create under a blanket of snow? Midnight, they tell us that it is a winter night. Ticking clock, what's the point of using these words? They show loneliness and isolation in a cold winter night, each lonely second. How heavy each second is. These words show how time is not passing as fast as it probably should, making waiting a slower process. She waited by the window, paws pressed against the glass. Outside, the birds stirred in the pale yellow dawn. Her ears lifted at every footstep, hoping it was the only one that will finally bring her mistress home. The first bird stirred. Clearly, the time is morning. The effect that it creates is of hope, positivity, and optimism. We are not talking about a human being here. Pause, ears lifted at every footstep, clearly shows us that it is a dog waiting for its owner, and also that the dog is faithful. The story is somewhere about faith as well. By the window is another indication of the setting. The person is inside the house again. The dog is inside the house again, hopeful, watching, longing, and yearning. Probably has been waiting for a long period of time. Therefore, the setting and time in particular is about how era, season, or passage of time influences a story's meaning. Do let me know in the comments box what you would like done next.